Good morning students. Today we are going to see ninth question in exercise 1.1. Use the sign greater, less than or equal in the box to make the statement true. See the first question children. -8 plus of -4. Box -8 minus of -4. They are asking us to use these three signs. What are they? Greater, smaller and equal. Okay, so first immediately we cannot say this one. Okay children, so we have to solve it. Now we can solve solution. -8 plus of -4, that box -8 minus of -4. Now you can see there is a bracket. I told already there is a multiplication. So plus into minus is what? Minus. So -8 -4, that box -8 minus into minus plus 4. Okay children, now -8 -4, what is the answer? -12. Yes, here -8 plus 4, so -4, isn't it? The numbers are having the same sign, we have to add and put the same sign, isn't it? If they are having the different sign, we have to subtract and we have to put the bigger number sign. So here we are putting -4. Understand children? Now we can see in these two which is greater? -4, isn't it? So -4 is greater. Okay children, so this answer we got. So this is greater. Understand children? So that is greater. So like that the questions are there, B, C, D, E. These questions are homework children. You can solve it and you can use the proper sign in the box. Understand children? Okay, next 10th question. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the top step, that is first step. The water level is in the 9th step. Okay, first question. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? This is a question. Understand children, what is the question? In a water tank, monkey is sitting in the first step, water is in the 9th step. Okay, but in the first question, what he does, that monkey, he jumps 3 steps down, again he jumps 2 steps back. Okay, so in how many jumps will be reach the water level? Understand children? This is a question. Now we will see the solution. The monkey starts from the first step, isn't it, and reaches the water level in the 9th step. Okay, so first jump means first step. It is in the first step, isn't it? It is going 3 steps down, so plus 3 steps. So it will be in what step? 4th step, isn't it? Again, now second jump. Now it is in 4th step, no? So 4th step, it jump 2 steps back, so -2 steps is equal to 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So second step. Okay, next, this is second step. Okay children, next third jump means, so already it is in second step, so second step plus 3 steps, isn't it? It jumps 3 steps down, so plus 3, so 5th step. Next, 4th jump, it is in 5th step, so minus 2 steps. Why? it jumps 2 steps back. So I'm taking backs and all minus, down and all plus. Understand children? So minus 2 steps. So 5 minus 2 is what? Third step. Now fifth jump. In the fifth jump, already it is in third step, no? So third step, again down, no? So plus 3 steps. So 3 plus 3, sixth step. Okay. Next, sixth jump. Already it is in sixth step, no? So again back. So back means minus 2 steps, no? So minus 2 step. So 6 minus 2, fourth step. Next, seventh jump. So already it is in fourth step. So fourth step plus 3 steps. So it will be in seventh step. Next, eighth jump. It is already in seventh step. So seventh step minus 2 steps back, no? So 2 step back means minus 2. So fifth step. Next, ninth jump. Fifth step plus 3 steps down. So totally eighth step. Next, 10th jump. 8th step minus 2 steps back. So 6th step. Next, 11th jump. 6th steps plus 3 steps down. So 9th step. So the monkey reaches the water level in the 11th jumps. Understand children? Now we can see this one in figure also. Okay, first it is in first step. So 3 steps down. Again 2 steps back. So it will be in second step. Again 3 steps down, 2 steps back. 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 Again 3 steps down. So ninth level, that is water level. So you can count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Understand children? So it reaches the water level at the 11th jump. Now second subdivision. After drinking the water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? After drinking the water, he wants to go back to the top step. So for that, he is jumping 4 steps up and 2 steps down. Okay children, in the previous one, what he did, he jumped 3 steps down and 2 steps up. Here he is going 4 steps up and 2 steps down, but he wants to reach the top step. For this, in the solution, I am going to consider the 9th step as first step and first step as the 9th step. You can see children, the previous one, from here we put 1 2 3, no? Here it was 9th step, no? So I am taking 9th step as 1 and first step as 9. Okay, so now it is in 9th step, isn't it? It drank water. Now he wants to go to the top step. So he jumps 4 steps up. So 1 2 3 4. So he is in 5th step. Again he wants to come down 2 steps, isn't it? So 2 steps. So he is in 3rd step. Again he jumps 4 steps up. Now he is in 7th step. Again he jumps down 2 steps, isn't it? Again he jumps 4 steps up. Now he reached the top step, that is first step. We have considered that first step was here 9th step. So he reached the top steps at what jump? 1 2 3 4 5. So he reached the top step at 5th jump. Understand children? And that one only we have written here. First jump, first step plus 4 steps up. In previous one we have taken down as plus, up as minus. Here we have to take up as plus and down as minus. Understand children? So first jump, first step plus 4 steps up, so plus 4 is equal to 5th step. Then second jump, fifth step, minus 2 steps because he is coming 2 steps down. So he is in third step. Again third jump, third step plus 4 steps up, so plus 4 is equal to 7th step. Next fourth jump, 7th step minus 2 steps down, so 7 minus 2 is what? 5th step. Next in 5th jump, 5th step plus 4 steps up, so he is in 9th step, that is top step. Understand children? Now he reached at the 5th jump. Okay, third subdivision is homework children. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers. So moving down is represented by here negative integer and moving up is represented by positive integer. Represent his moves in part first and part second by complete the following. A minus 3 plus 2. So we have to complete this children. Minus 3 plus 2. We have to consider the first one. Okay. Minus 3 plus 2 etc. is equal to minus 8. Then B 4 minus 2 plus etc. is equal to 8. In A, the sum minus 8 represents going down by 8 steps. So what will the sum 8 in B represent? This is easy only children. Here you can see if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers. So they are representing moving down as negative integer and moving up as positive integer respectively. Okay, so first and second part by complete the following. First part, what we have done, we have put 3 and 2, no, 3 jump and 2 jump. Here they have given minus 3 plus 2 minus what should come here, 3 plus 2 till get minus 8 as answer. We have to fill this pattern. Understand children? Next here 4 minus 2 plus second part is what, 4 and 2, no, so 4 minus 2, again what will come, 4 minus 2 till get 8 as an answer. We have to complete this pattern children. That's all. Then what are they saying? In A, the sum minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps. So what will the sum plus 8 in, for plus 8 in B represent what? Minus 8 represent negative. So plus 8 represent what? That is a question. That's all children. You have to complete these two patterns and you have to say plus 8 represent what? That's all children. You finish it. This is a homework. Thank you.